Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong araw na ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Farm to Market Tarlac City Main Branch o Farm to Market or Farm to Market Paalaga System o Hog Raising Business. This advisory is prompted by inquiries, reports, and information received by the Commission that individuals or group of persons representing an entity named Farm to Market Tarlac City Main Branch or Farm to Market Paalaga System or Hog Raising Business is enticing the public to invest their money in the said entity with the promise of high monetary rewards or profits. Based on the reports from the public and as posted in its Facebook page, Farm to Market Tarlac City Main Branch is inviting the public to invest under its F2M 3 months paalaga system by buying one piglet for the price of 5,000 pesos for a promise of getting an investment back amounting to 7,600 pesos in just 3 months or equivalent to 30% return of investment or ROI less 5% service charge. So ayan po mga kababayan, isa na naman pong Ponzi scheme yang farm to market na paalaga system. At marami na pong mga agriculture investment scams ang lumitaw noon, kaya mga kababayan, kailangan maging maingat tayo. The public is hereby informed that Farm to Market Tarlac City Main Branch or Farm to Market Paalaga System or Hog Raising Business or Farm to Market Tugigaraw Branch or Farm to Market Dagupan or Farm to Market La Union Branch or Farm to Market Lagawi Ifugao or Farm to Market Solano Nueva Vizcaya Branch or Farm to Market Tayug are not authorized to solicit investments from the public not having secured prior registration and or license to sell securities or solicit investments as prescribed under Section 8 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa farm to market paalaga system dahil yan po ay isang Ponzi scheme at illegal po ang ginagawa nilang pag-solicit or paghingi na investment sa publiko dahil wala po silang secondary license. At base dito sa mga nakita natin impormasyon, ang target nila ay yung nasa Central at Northern Luzon. At ang main branch daw nila ay nasa Tarlac City. Briefly, an investment contract exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of Farm to Market Tarlac City Main Branch or Farm to Market Paalaga System or Hog Raising Business or Farm to Market Tugigaraw Branch or Farm to Market Dagupan or Farm to Market La Union Branch or Farm to Market Lagawi Ifugao or Farm to Market Solano Nueva Vizcaya Branch or Farm to Market Tayug. As such, the Securities Regulation Code requires that said offer and or sale of securities must be duly registered with the Commission and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public. Moreover, the F2M 3 months paalaga system business scheme being offered by the subject entities shows indication of a possible Ponzi scheme where monies from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent members in case of scarcity of new investors. Republic Act Number 11765 or the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act also prohibits investment fraud, which is defined under the law as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contribution made by the investors themselves and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. At pinalalahanan din po ng SEC ang publiko na mag-ingat at wag nang mag-invest o tumigil na po sa pag-invest sa kahit na ano pang investment scheme na ino-offer ng farm to market or ng farm to market paalaga system or hog raising business o yung farm to market Tarlac City main branch. Umiwas na po kayo dahil yan po ay Ponzi scheme. At ang Ponzi scheme po, kapag naabot na po nila yung quota nila, ay tatakbuhan po kayo niyan. Kaya mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa farm to market investment scam. At may babala din po ang SEC para dun sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents, representatives, promoters, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of Farm to Market Tarlac City main branch or Farm to Market Paalaga System or hog raising business or Farm to Market Tugigaraw branch or Farm to Market Dagupan or Farm to Market La Union branch or Farm to Market Lagawi Ifugao or Farm to Market Solano Nueva Vizcaya branch or Farm to Market Tayug in soliciting or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet, may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, which are both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. At yung mga pangalan daw ng mga involved dyan sa Farm to Market Paalaga System ay nai-report na raw po ng SEC sa Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR para daw sa mga kaukulang mga multa at buwis na dapat bayaran. Kung meron po kayo impormasyon tungkol po sa operasyon ng Farm to Market o ng Farm to Market Paalaga System, ay pwede po ninyong tawagan ang Enforcement and Investor Protection Department na Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang telephone number na 8818-6047 at pwede nyo rin po silang i-email sa epd@sec.gov.ph at pwede rin po kayong bumisita sa opisina nila na nasa 9th floor, the SEC Headquarters, 7907 Makati Avenue, Salcedo Village, Barangay Bel Air, Makati City. Further investigation reveals the existence of an SEC-registered entity named F2M Agri-Farm OPC, whose authorized representative's name as appearing in its application for SEC registration is similar to that of the owner of F2M Agricultural Farm and the known operator or endorser of Farm to Market Tarlac City main branch. For the guidance of the public, though registered with the Commission, F2M Agri-Farm OPC is likewise not authorized to solicit investments from the public, not having secured prior registration and or license to sell securities or solicit investments as prescribed under Section 8 of the Securities Regulation Code. Mga kababayan, dapat po bago po ang isang kumpanya ay manghingi o mag-solicit ng investment sa publiko ay dapat meron po muna yung secondary license. Hindi po sapat na meron lang silang SEC registration. Dapat meron muna silang secondary license. Kaya nga mga kababayan, kailangan maging maingat tayo dahil may mga kumpanya at may mga companies po na nagpaparegister para sabihin na registered sila at legit sila. Pero sa totoo po, hindi sila legit kasi kulang pa sila sa dokumento dahil wala pa silang secondary license. At ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong April 16, 2024. Mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa Farm to Market Tarlac City main branch o farm to market or farm to market paalaga system o hog raising business dahil yan po ay isa pong investment scam at isa pong Ponzi scheme. Mga kababayan, kapag naabot na po nila yung quota nila ay tatakbuhan na po kayo niyan. Kaya mga kababayan, habang maaga pa po, dapat po umiwas na po kayo dyan at wag na po kayo magdadagdag ng investment at wag na rin po kayo magre-recruit dahil kawawa po yung mga mare-recruit nyo dahil maaabutan po sila ng pagsasara ng is-company na yan. Mga kababayan, sa umpisa po, papaasahin kayo ng mga is-company na yan. Iha-hype kayo para magdagdag kayo ng investment at para mag-recruit kayo. Pero kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila, katulad din ng ibang mga is-companies, ay bigla na lamang po yang mawawala. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.